Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning class 5 students. How are you? How are you? Okay, now today we're going to study maths. Okay, we're going to learn maths. Okay, our topic would be shapes and angles. Okay, it is unit 2, shapes and angles. Okay, now let me draw something. Okay, let us draw something. Okay, can you notice this shape? Yeah, we know it is a star, isn't it? But how come? Why do we know it? Because it is a shape like a star, isn't it? Yes, this is the shape. Shape is very important, isn't it? It denotes whether this is something or not. Okay, let me draw another one. Okay, what do you see in this one? Okay, now what does the shape looks like? Yes, to me it very differently. It may look like other things to you also. Okay, to me it looks like the letter L. Do you know the letter L? That means L. Okay, now the meaning of shape. Shape is the external form, contours or outline of someone or something, is it not? Yes, shape. Now we know the meaning of shape. Okay, it takes the form of the outer part. Okay, the external form, the contours or outline of someone or something. Remember that. Okay, then now let me draw a circle. Okay, here we know what is the name of this, is it not? Yes, it is a circle. It is round in shape. Now let me draw another one. Here, do you know what is this one? Yes, it is a square. What is a square? How many sides does a square have? Okay, we can say that it has 4 sides. How come? Why do we say it has 4 sides? Okay, when we draw this line here, it is called a side, is it not? This is a side, one side. That means this other part are going to be another side, is it not? So we have one side. This one is the first side, and we can count it from anywhere. Okay, then the second side, this side is also a line. Okay, in a square. So then the third one is here. Okay, you can count this one also. This is the third one, and the fourth one is this one. Okay, so we can say that the square has 4 sides. Yes, the 4 sides of a square we used to say, not? Yes, these are the sides. Okay, now if we measure it, if we measure it with some measuring instrument, so we will get that all these square sides, the 4 sides are equal. Okay, they are all equal, so we call it a square also. Now let me draw another one. This is called what? Yes, it is a rectangle. Why it is a rectangle? Because the opposite sides are equal, is it not? Yes, these small sides and the other opposite small sides are equal, and this one are equal. Okay, so we used to say that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, next one. Now what is this? We know what is this, is it not? Yes, we know it. It is a triangle. Okay, how many sides does a triangle have? Where is it, is it not? Yes, we can answer it 3 sides. Now let us put some matchsticks here. Okay, we have 7 matchsticks. Okay, I mean 6, sorry, 6. Okay, now we are going to make some shapes. Okay, yes, this is the first shape that we can make using it. Then another one is, okay, this one. There can be another shape. Okay, now I'm going to mark this. Okay, I'm going to mark this corner. Okay, where they are touching it. Okay, here these matchsticks and these matchsticks are touching it, so we are going to mark it like this. Okay, another one, these matchsticks and another one are touching it here. Okay, they are meeting at this point, so I'm going to touch it again here, and then here. Okay, I will do the same in this one. Okay, here this matchstick and this matchsticks are touching here. Okay, so they are intersecting. Okay, so we are putting this one. Okay, from here and here. Okay, Again we put it here because they are intersecting here. Again we are putting we're drawing line here. Okay, now this one is also intersecting. Okay, we are drawing inside only, not the outside. Okay, now what are these? Can you tell what are this one? Why I am putting a marking here? Okay, these are called angles. Okay, angles. These are called angles. Where is the largest angle? Yes, this one is the largest angle because you can see it is very wide, is not? And the smallest angle, the smallest would be which one? Yes, this one is the smallest angle. Okay, now I'll tell you the meaning of angles. Okay, the space between two intersecting lines. Okay, angles meaning the space between two intersecting lines or surface. It is measured in degrees. Okay, we used to say that there are 7 degrees, 8 degrees, and 9 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, okay, 180 degrees, like that. So the space between two intersecting lines or surface, we know that they are intersecting, is not here. So the space between two intersecting lines. Okay, the space, remember that. Okay, now here is some ruler is for measuring used by carpenter. Okay, a right triangle, a right angle scale. Okay, why it is called a right angle scale? Okay, where now we are going to find out where is the angle in the carpenter tool. Okay, yes, this is the angle, is it not? Yes, the space between, because it is the space between two intersecting lines, is it not? Yes. Okay, now we will do the same as in this scissor. Okay, now where is the angle here? Yes, the space between two intersecting substances. Okay, line or substance. Yes, this is the angle here. Another one will also be here, is it not? Yes, these are the angles. Okay, now another one exists. Yes, definitely this one is also the angles. Okay, now how will we measure these angles? Okay, how will we measure these angles? Yes, we will use this device, is not? It is present in your instrument box, is not? Mathematical instrument box, is not? Yes, we call it as a protector. Okay, it is a shape like a D. Okay, now if we look closely, here is the number 90, is not? Yes, this is 90 degree. This means it is a straight line. Okay, here there is a line. Okay, imaginary line means we use our imagination. We must use our imagination that there is a line here. Okay, this line connects this one, so this is 90 degree. Okay, now we will put here. Okay, the measuring scale. So look at here, that small the middle point should be at the angle. Okay, the intersecting points. Okay, if we put here and if we see that it is in 90 degrees, not? Yes, it is very straight. This scale is very straight, so it is in line with 90, so it is called 90 degree. Okay, so when it is 90 degree, okay, it is also a right angle. Okay, now if we measure this one, okay, if we measure this one, if we put it here at the angle, we will have another answer, is not? Yes, this one is 90, is not? Yes, so it does not reach 90. Okay, it does not reach 90. This angle does not reach 90, so it is less than, is it not? It is less than 90 degree angle. Okay, 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree. You can use your protector also. Okay, so we can call it also, it is less than a right angle. Okay, now let us draw a line. Okay, let us draw angles. Okay, lines using angles. Now, is the angle less than or more than 90 degree? Can you please tell me? Is this angle less than or more than 90 degree? It is 90 degrees, not? Yes, and also a right angle because it is very straight, is it not? Okay, let us draw another one. Okay, if we are using the protector, okay, now is the angle less than or more than 90 degree? Okay, can you tell the difference here? If it is 90 degree, it would be straight here, you know. So I think this is less than 90 degrees, you know. Do you have a guess now? Okay, if we put a projector here, yes, it is less than 90 degrees, you know. So this line, okay, we must be very we must give importance to this line. Why? Because these lines should be and these angles, this center one should be in the angle. Okay, if we put the projector here, this line should be in line with the line that is given in the projector. Okay, is it not? Yes. So it is less than 90 degree. Okay, yes, we know that it is less than 90 degree, so it is less than a right angle. Okay, now let us draw another angle. Now this one is a little bit wide. Okay, this one is a little bit wide, and the angle, we're going to find out what is the angle. Okay, so the question is it less than or more than 90 degree? We will find it out if we put a projector here in line with that, and we find out that it is more than 90 degrees. You know why it is more than 90 degree? Because we will count it from here. You know, yes, we will count it from here, and it surpasses 90 degrees this much, is not? So it is more than 90 degrees, so it is more than a right angle also, is not? Yes, very easy, you know. Do you understand? It is more than 90 degree. It is more than a right angle. Okay, now let us look this clock. Okay, the time is what? Can you tell the time? Can you tell the time? Yes, it is 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock. So, and what angle is it? Is it more than a right angle, or is it less than a right angle? What is your answer? It is 90 degrees, you know, and a right angle. Okay, now let us look at this again. So what is the difference here? Can you tell the time? What is the time here? It is what? Can you tell me? Okay, can you have a guess? Is it 1 o'clock, or is it 3 o'clock? Okay, the time is what? 2 o'clock. Okay, 2 o'clock. So what is the angle here? Is it less than or more than 90 degree? Okay, it is less than a right angle because the base is there, you know, the base is true. Okay, now I tell you the importance of angles. Okay, in construction, okay, in building construction, angle is very important. If we look closely at this construction, okay, look at here, all the shapes are imprecise with the angles. This part is rectangle, is it not? And this part is a triangle. Okay, here this part is also a square, is it not? Or I mean, it may be a square, is it not? Yes, it is very important in construction. Okay, construction, we cannot leave out angles. Here, heavy duty crane also, if we look at this heavy duty crane, it is full of angles, is it not? Yes, angles are constructed here, so it makes the crane strong to lift heavy duty objects. Okay,